Programming your BMW Z4 key fob syncs it with your car's immobilizer and body control module, enabling functions like lock-unlock, panic alarm, and engine start. For standard remote pairing on older models like 2009-2016, use the physical method. Insert key in ignition, cycle to position 1, press unlock button 3 times within 10 seconds. Comfort Access adds keyless entry and start. For newer models, pair via iDrive, start engine with key, hold fob to steering wheel, follow on-screen prompts. Recent updates include OTA via BMW Connected Drive app for remote programming on 2009 Plus models. Digital Key Plus uses NFC-enabled phones, reducing physical fob reliance. Procedures vary by model year and trim, so consult your owner's manual. Incorrect programming can disable your vehicle, so accuracy is critical. For standard remotes on older BMW Z4 models, follow these steps to pair your key fob. For comfort access on G29 BMW Z4 models, use these steps to pair your key fob. If you encounter pairing issues, start by replacing the key fob battery. Interference from nearby electronics can cause problems, so try pairing in a different location. For advanced diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner or BMW's ISTA software. Remember, enhanced security features after 2023 require following procedures exactly for your model year. If issues continue, consult your local BMW dealer.